enemy fans, match the SNE petition. A man, no, one looking down on me. Na otie me, na Attorney General Subesomu, no omunya omutie me, no mutie me, Bible, no mutimi me fear here because I say where I come, no.
All right. Okay, so let's leave it here for the time being, and then maybe some other time we'll continue. Okay, go back. No.
We ain't going to take any question. I'm sorry. No question. No question. It's okay. Can we just use one? Can we give any other question?
Okay, so let's go. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the media. My name is Rosemary Brown, aka Akuapem Poloo. This afternoon, I wish to address the press and say thank you to my family, fans and loved ones for standing by me through this trying time of my life. First and foremost, I wish to thank the Almighty God who has been gracious and merciful to me. And importantly, I say a big thanks to you. I say a big thank you to the President of the Republic, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa, whom upon receiving a lot of petitions from well-meaning Ghanaians and friends, both home and abroad, to intervene in my situation, gave a listening ear to my life. Secondly, I'd like to say a big thank you to the Honorable Attorney General, Mr. Godfrey Dami, for his great support and for representing the government at large in taking this matter up as an exceptional case, considering the situation of my 7-year-old son. My special thanks also go to all those who in one way or the other worked behind the scene to support my cause. Of course, I cannot forget to say thank you to all my lawyers who came to assist me in one way or the other since this matter started, and in particularly Mr. Andrew Votia, Gangster Tamaklo, John Kwame, Quentin, Onine Nana, son. Please, my English is no good, so the way I say, please forgive me. Felix Nana and etc. And the rest of the legal team. I also want to thank persons like those called celebrities. The Nigerian blogger Mofa, CCB Niger, Tontodike, Linda, Nkeji, Tunde Ednot, Cardi B, my spirit Twinnie, DKB, Reggie, Rackstone, the legendary, Sarko Dier, Efia Noctana, Habiba Sinari, Nana McBrown, the legendary, Walkesier, Prince Kennedy, Nation blogger, Nkokonsan, Zion Felix, GH Hyper, Ronnie is everywhere. A lot, and all my bloggers. Please, I can't mention all of you, your name. But please, I'm so grateful. I saw everything when I came back. I saw all the support you use your blog to do for me, especially the hashtag Free Akuapem Poloo. I saw it and I was home, but I was still crying because I didn't know I had so much people who love me like this. And finally, I want to thank the rest of my fans, both home and abroad, especially my lovely brothers and sisters in Nigeria and the rest of Africa for standing by me in this matter. And last but not the least, to my pastors, all religion leaders who in one way or the other said a prayer for me on this matter. I say God bless you all. In fact, I cannot finish thanking everyone, but God bless everyone for me. I really appreciate everything. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You didn't come from time back, right?
Okay, tree. Young boy.
Me papa no. Me mama no more come to. Say, and your mom walk outside Ghana. Me say, me think when you is so, at the OPPR, or Kwame, or Mount, I'm a near to me. And you'll be and I some way to me, me who feel. Me say, me Daniel Coupons. Say what me aging. A team in Bible, and you make us if you send me that. Now, if I send me that, you want to sway you. I send me that. Me papa, I am president. Nana, a kufu ad. I say, so also, make me on media for, and me fans. Make if I send me petition. A man, one looking on me. Now, see me. Now, Attorney General Subesomu. No, see me. No, see me. I walk. No, see me because I say why I become.
Let's get her some tissue, please. Some tissue.
Maybe just a question. What was it like being in prison?
We haven't gone. That I support you. Oh, is she going?
No room for question.
Have we ended it?
Sorry, we will have to just end it here. Any other question?
So why did you call it a press conference? Because a press conference is supposed to be an interactive session with the media. So we ask questions. You don't just come and do a vote of thanks and expect us to
You
go.
can ask the question. We would
Where is the person? So are we to wait? We can wait. She give us time.
wait, then let's work on that. Because we don't want to ask
She put herself together and then we can take it from there.
ask the question and she's bowing her head and I understand, please. So is she coming back? Let's just look at that.
Okay.
This be live visuals from Accra, Ghana, where the Ghanaian actress Akuapem Poloo just addressed the press on a 90-day sentence and subsequent release.
Please, you kindly lower the seat for us to get the man.
Empathize. Okay. At least be able to make started mentioning the name of the president. Memories started coming in. It was difficult for him. So let's see if after some minutes, she's able to.
Let's still wait because this is a press conference.
We've been waiting for how long?
For what? It's a press conference going on. I'm like, please, can you kindly lower your tone? This is a press conference. You don't come here and increase your voice. You don't know what you're talking about. Can you be quiet? You put your phone on silence. It is a press conference. And you're telling me the way I'm talking to the manager. I even added things. I was kind enough. So they need to respect the media sometimes.
This is the live visuals from Accra, Ghana. You dey watch BBC Pidgin. We did under the press conference of Ghanaian actress Akuapem Poloo. The High Court of Ghana released from 90-day prison sentence. The lawyers apply for bail. The High Court agreed to the bail on grounds that she be first-time offender. Second ground say she be single mother who they take care of 7-year-old. They give them some bail conditions, which be 80,000 Ghana cedis. Make she pay before then go release them from someone prison. So them release them yesterday. Where today they address the press.
She was on the local language where we
She's done with that. She's done with that.
President, Ghana President, Nana Ado, Nana Akuapem Poloo, I'm on the woman mobile. I'm a Omejimi. After 90 days, I can answer. Meso, Nyakopo Adum, any fans, any bloggers, young platform, any social media, television, baby Piara, Nigeria, baby Piara, outside Ghana, abroad, US, UK, South Africa, baby Piara, oh, what the Kwame, Amen, Mr. Murphy, jail, because self, let's all go jail, answer na me pay. Because Nyami show BBR, Minianum, enemy paying for more industry, more acting, more to Yum, more Nigeria, more Ghana, more baby Piara, more Buame, Tonto Dike, my ground, those for celebrity, Tune Ethnos, Kwakessia, Takodia, Stoneboy, Shatawale, Efia, Pepper Committee. Stacy, I'm wanting the meeting bone, DKB, Zion Felix, you can concern Samike Media, GHI Park, those meeting woman. Yami shop now more here because I am one coming in the beer. Most of what you say, Miss Watts, or Pamaka, some young departments for that. Miss Watts, papa, a easy mammy. My funny easy, a journey for me to the end. So cramming to me, yes, strong, me by now. But as cemetery, but not the whole world. Me fans know my worried. Almost so much so many, but almost so many. It's me back. More beer will sample. Me so many me be. I can't believe it. This is a snacks. Yamin sure be no meaning say take a picture with my son in that manner can take me to jail or can put me in a big trouble. I didn't know it was not a good thing. Whatever it is, please forgive me. I beg you, the whole world, the whole Ghana, Mr. President, my legend, my woman, oh, please, help mercy on me. Forgive me. I didn't do that intentionally. Please, I'm your kid sister, I'm your child, I'm your daughter. Please forgive me. And I want to say this to my colleagues, to the young ones who are coming, that it's not a good act. I didn't know, and I did it. And this is what I got myself into. Oh. So please, especially the nudity, I beg you, we should put a stop to it. Nudity is not good. It's not good at all. Woo. It's not just taking a picture with your son in that manner. But nudity is not good. And Ghanaians, we have our norms, our culture. Yes, I beg you. For this, I beg you. My colleagues, understand it. And let's put a stop to it. I love you all. This is Akuapem Poloo. I'm out. Kiss, kiss.
They paid them. Okay, so I think the opportunity to the media for one or two questions.
Akuapem Poloo, one of the biggest concerns for most Ghanaians has been the fact that you're a single parent and a lot of concerns about your son, his welfare. Have you seen him? What condition is he in, and what can you tell us about your son?
Okay, my son, since I came, I've seen him. He's with my lawyer. Myself, all this while, I've been with my lawyer because we're not really done with the process for me to come out. The appeal is still in process. So now I've not been in the house. I'm with my lawyer with my son since for some few days. Since when I was out, my son was with me.
The few people who were concerned felt that maybe your son will be aware of what's happening, and that's not good for his mindset. Is he aware of the things happening, or there's been a way to help him not know it?
My son is not aware. My son still feel like I'm in Nigeria working. Yes. Yeah, to him, he think I'm in Nigeria working. As an actress.
Okay, so how did you feel when you were slapped with a 90-day jail term? What was running through your mind when the judge told you that you're going to...
Come down to my level.
Okay. Okay. All right, so I'm sure that when you were at the court, when they were sentencing you to 90 days, there are a lot of things that were running through your mind. How did you feel about it?
Yeah. I least expected that. I wasn't expecting me to be jailed for 90 days. As I said earlier, I didn't know what I did would take me to. So I didn't expect it at all. At that moment, so that the depression, I couldn't see anything. So they took me to the cells.
Right. How has it been like being with you? How was the experience like now?
I don't know how to say it, but you won't understand. I don't know.
Okay, you made mention that a lot of celebrities and bloggers supported you. There were some celebrities who were also against you, or some people who were against you, and they said that you deserved what happened to you. What do you have to say to them?
Oh, no. I just want to leave everything to God for now.
Poloo, stop the nudity. Yeah, we did. Now can I this?
Oh, but you've been on my page for 1 year now. Since 30th June that this issue came. 30th June was my son's birthday, and I posted that picture with him. Since then, 30th June last year, I posted that picture. One was me posting nudity on my pages for 1 year now. Me posting nudity. So I'm so serious about stop nudity.
So what lessons have you learned from all this back and forth?
Oh, it's a lot. The good and the bad side, I've learned a lot. That's why I'm here to say that it's not a good thing to do. So we should try and stop doing it.
How are you going to dress from now on?
That's the TV dress now on my page. I'm not exposing myself on my page.
Papa support to say what's happening.
Oh no. This is my private issue and I don't talk about it.
People think the sentence was harsh. To you, how do you think it was fair?
Oh no. I think someone has asked that question. I don't talk about it. Anything about sports.
Well, a lot of people raise funds to support you. Some of the issues that have also come out was that you didn't give BKB here your consent. We just want you to clear the air. Did you give him the go ahead?
Sweetheart, I just came out. I'm grateful to anyone.
No,
that's what I said.
We spoke to your manager today, and he was like, the management team and yourself didn't know anything about it.
I'm grateful to anyone who supported, who donated to me and my son. I'm grateful.
Please, we have just
Were you in support of it?
we have just 2 more questions and we have to end.
Did you support it or not? Were you in support of it or not?
Just a question. Please,
Were you in support of it or not?
please don't answer yet. Can we just all be a bit quiet so we can hear him?
Some people are saying that this problem could have been avoided if you had a very good management. What would you say to people like that? Have you improved your management?
Who said I don't have a good manager? My management. The only problem is I went home by taking a taking a nude picture with my son. For the past 3 years, I've been good. Look at how far I've got it from my management team. Please give me time to recover. I beg you.
Just the last question, and please we can just.
So, Poloo, did you all have any idea of what DKB was doing?
Exactly. We want to know.
That is why I just came, please. I tell everyone who supported me.
Yes,
DKB is a legend. So if he supported me, he's supposed to support me. Thanks to anyone who supported me. God bless them.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sorry, I would like to apologize for the way I
DKB, you're one of the people who.
Charlie, you will answer the question.
You will answer the question. Oh, but how you dey feel? How you dey feel? DKB, genuinely, how you dey feel? Second, then you dey on social media, you won't make them release them, finally then release them. DKB, how you dey feel? You be one of the people who campaign say at least them for see inside give and we find it then release them. What you get what? So your reaction, we know say as the sentence on 90 days, then you be one of the few people where you make very worried for him, you go on social media, you hate at the child rights organization and things. Riders then release them. How you dey feel and what be your message to the other people where you get concerns with them?
So far, my English is not really good. So please forgive me for my English.
Are you acting?
Give me some time to recover.
So
I did try nominally. So I was overwhelmed. I thought, wow, 90 days. I was in shock. But it's a legal directive, you have to respect it. Yeah. I was in shock, to be honest.
and how do you feel now seeing her?
My press conference,
So that be a Ghanaian comedian DKB.